Welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2013 Ford Taurus. This Taurus is featured in a black paint finish and is the SHO trim. It includes features such as heated and vented front leather seats, heated second row seating, a backup camera with adaptive guidelines, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitors, and much more. Starting off in the front of our vehicle, we have a chrome finish door handle, power locks, below are power mirror controls, as well as our rear window lock and power window controls. In the bottom of the door, we have some storage, as well as our speaker. Just inside to the left of our steering wheel, we have our lighting controls and our central dash lighting. Across the bottom of the seat, we have all of our power controls. You can also see the seat here finished in our black and gray leather with our SHO trim. Getting into the vehicle and looking above our steering wheel, we can see our display cluster. We have information systems on the left-hand side and the right-hand side. Moving to the left-hand side, that's the controls for our left information system, as well as our adaptive cruise settings below. Right-hand side of the steering wheel has our right-hand controls for our information system and all of our hands-free settings. Moving to the middle, we can see our infotainment screen. We can see we have Bluetooth. Top right is our navigation. We have a home button in the bottom, climate control in the bottom right, as well as our entertainment in the bottom left. Below it, we can see our CD player, as well as our additional controls. Trunk release on the right-hand side, and push to start ignition on the left. We have our dual zone climate control at the bottom. Then we can see across the bottom we have some additional buttons, as well as a 12-volt plug. Next to our shifter, some storage space, 2 cup holders, center console, which we can see inside. We have storage at the back that we can lift up on, as well as some additional inputs inside, including USBs and 12-volt plugs. Moving to the passenger seat, we can see it's the same leather finish as our driver's seat. It's also powered, heated, and vented. Then lastly, above the rearview mirror, we have our tilt sliding sunroof settings, sunglass holder, universal garage door opener on the overhead cover, and lastly, our sunroof in the front of the vehicle. Now walking down the side of the vehicle, on the hood we have a 3M protective film. Moving down to the front tire and rim, we have a satin steel finish with black pockets and a Ford bow tie center cap with SHO logoing on the rim. Moving out, we have paint match finished outside mirrors, as well as paint match finished door handles. At the back of the vehicle, dual exhaust tips at the bottom, all of our Ford, Taurus, and SHO badging in chrome. Opening up the rear of the vehicle, we have to come to the front. We can either do so from the key that we have in our cup holder and can see here. On the key, we can see we have remote start system, controls for our locks and unlocks, remote trunk release, and alarm. If we hit our remote trunk release twice, we can hear it pop open. Opening it up, we can see we have a lot of storage space, as well as folding second row seating. Moving into the back of the vehicle, you can see we have a chrome finish door handle, our power window control, storage, and a speaker. Inside the vehicle, a storage compartment in the back of the driver's seat, as well as in the back of the passenger seat. Between the two seats, we have our air vents, our heated seat for the outboard seats, and a 12-volt plug in the center. Moving to the seats themselves, we can see they are in our multi-contoured leather finish with a gray and black finish. In the center seat, we have our 2 foldable cup holders, and all 3 seats fold down in a 60-40 split to make some additional storage. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk around of the 2013 Ford Taurus. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet soon.